Welcome to the info of HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. First, let's just select the application, and after that drag this app to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, you can make it by this way, just to add one app. And if you wanna add a couple of apps in one time, you should click here on this plus icon, and after that you should select these applications. Then just click here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully add them. If you wanna rename the folder, you should click here once on the name, click on the X icon to remove the name in one click, and after that you can add a new one, for example the apps. Click here to home button, and now we can see that we just successfully change the home screen folder and the name of the home screen folder. If you want to move it on the home screen here, you just should hold it, and after that drag it. And just to move the folders between the screens, you should by the same way hold, and after that drag it to the left or to the right side with your finger. And if you want to just remove the applications from the folder, you should hold the app, and after that drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, you should just click on this plus icon, and after that you should unselect unselect all of the apps. Click here to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.